weekend? Let's find out. Hi, my name is Mitch. Welcome to White Eagles TV. This is going to be hopefully a weekly Monday wrap of how our players did over the weekend. If you're wondering which players I'm going to focus on, I'm pretty much going to focus on the team that took on Norway in the last time Serbia played. So as you can see, Vlahovic, Mitro, Tadic, Kostic, Ilic, Lukic, Zivkovic, Pavlovic, Mitrovic, Verkovic, and Milinkovic-Savic. So we'll look at our first guy, obviously, is Mitro. Mitro copped the yellow card 24th minute in a 0-0 draw, which I watched. It was kind of a boring game, but, at least he's playing. He's not injured. That's a positive. Okay, so let's look next. Juventus versus Lecce. Juventus 1-1-0. Our boy Vlahovic didn't play. Obviously, he's injured. If you go down here, and they've got a little section here called, and it says thigh injury. Hopefully it's not too bad. There's been various reports that it is bad, it isn't bad. Who knows? Hopefully Pixie knows and you can sort that out. Next, Lazio played. Lazio lost 3-1. Milinkovic-Savic, not the biggest fan of him. Copped the yellow. Didn't look like he did too much in that game. Torino beat AC Milan 2-1. Pretty big scalp. Our boy Vanja Milinkovic-Savic played, same as Sasha Lukic, in a 2-1 victory. That's pretty good against Team AC Milan, top of the table. Not bad. Next, it's Fiorentina Spezia. That's not how you pronounce it. Nikola Milenkovic scored a goal, and in a 2-1 victory. Lukic didn't, subbed off. But he played almost a full game, and he's been banging him in recently. So he's looking to, his form's getting better and better, which is positive for us. That's all that matters. Next, we're going to talk about Werder Bremen versus Hertha Berlin, and they got a 1-0 victory. Our boy Milinkovic-Savic played full game, no yellow, no subs, 1-0 victory. So clean sheet, that's pretty good. Next is Sassuolo versus Verona. We've got a couple of boys that play in Verona. They didn't play. And on here, Ivan Ilic, knock, Darko Lazovic, muscle injury. So not too sure. Hopefully that's not too bad for the boys. And they lost 2-1, so it's not too good. Next, AEK Athens versus PAOK. Our boy Zivkovic didn't start. He was on the bench, and he didn't come off the bench. Didn't play at all. But Mijat Gacinovic, the hero from the 2018 World Cup qualification campaign, hasn't played under Pixie. I'm not too sure what's going on there. He was a really good player for Serbia in that campaign. He's kind of disappeared. He did score a goal. He copped the yellow as well. So, best of both worlds. And in a 2-0 victory. Next, Salzburg, where Pavlovic plays. They don't play till the 6th of November. So nothing to report there. And last but not least, Getafe versus Elche. Well, obviously, Stefan Mitrovic plays. They don't play till tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. our time here in Australia. So, not too much to report on him. But all in all, our players have been, playing regularly, scoring goals here and there. So you can't be too disappointed. Okay, thanks for tuning in. That's just my quick roundup of how our players went on the weekend. Hopefully you tune in next Monday for another roundup. Thank you.